What's up, guys? Today we talk about privacy. Are you privacy conscious? Do you love privacy? And you want to use search engines as well? Well, search and humans go hand in hand. Search is part of human mind and it is one thing everyone does and needs. But what if you do search and you are watched, tracked and listened to? Now we talk about search engine that never tracks you. A search engine that works similar to Google but believes in privacy. Welcome to DuckDuckGo, a great search engine that is loved by hackers and professionals around the world, where you are completely anonymous and anything you search and type is completely anonymous. It believes in privacy, that does not track you, and has no location tracking. Now we go and test DuckDuckGo.com as we type privacy and look at the address bar. At the address bar we see question mark equals to privacy. Q stands for query and question mark is get in networking. And finally it ends with web. Web is the section of DuckDuckGo where it means all the websites or videos or news. It has images, videos, news, maps, meanings and definitions. And we can see settings as well. As you can see, it looks exactly like Google, but with slight different layout. Okay, now we do longer text test. We type one like shopping but I don't want to share my location. We see the result. We copy and paste it somewhere for analysis. Okay, now we browse the page. Here it says we don't store your personal information ever. And again it says we don't follow you around with ads. And we go further down. It says we don't track you in or out of private browsing mode. And it says switch to DuckDuckGo and take back your privacy. We go back and we paste the DuckDuckGo search result URL and next we head to Google. We type the same words in Google search bar. I like shopping but I don't want to share my location. The reason we type one like shopping and share location is because Google has artificial intelligence machines that when you type shopping, it starts to build your choice of e-commerce and products, and outsource location. Another artificial intelligence kicks in to track your location. Then in just one typing, Google artificial intelligence machine learning is very curious to learn more about you and your shopping needs and choice and your location and so on. Then it builds your profile and match it with your location and items it has in its storage. Then we go on top page and copy the URL information. We paste it and wow! It's a long words. It is google.com followed by search question mark, which means get in PHP. Then EI equals to some encryption and the EI means encrypted timestamp. Then our query I like shopping but I don't want to share my location. And GS_A equals to PSY-AB. That is your geolocation and finally unexplained GWS-Wiz. That is long URL. That by only one click search you will get all of Google's artificial intelligence machine learning algorithms. So what's the solution? You do what all the hackers do. Please leave comments below of what you think of privacy on search engines. Please subscribe us for more videos.